In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Vibe in Monday.com 2026 Easy Guide. If you're looking to turn ideas into working tools inside your Monday.com workspace, AI Vibe makes that process fast and approachable. Think of it as your creative partner that helps you shape a lightweight app or workflow without starting from a blank page. I'll walk you through getting to Vibe, choosing how you want to begin, and kicking off the build. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your home view. This is your central hub, so it's the best place to launch into new work. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for your team so the app you create lands where people expect it. If your account uses different views, the home area is still the simplest jumping-off point for what we're about to do. From home, click on Vibe. You'll typically find it in your main navigation, and it may be labeled as an AI experience dedicated to app creation. Opening Vibe brings you into a guided environment designed to help you outline what you want to build. If you don't see Vibe, your admin may need to enable it for your plan, but once it's visible, you're ready to proceed. Inside Vibe, you can build your new application from scratch. This is great if you already have a clear structure in mind. You'll describe what the app should do and how your team will use it, and Vibe will translate that into an initial framework you can refine. Building from scratch gives you the most control right away, especially if you have unique fields, views, or automations in mind. Alternatively, you can explore ideas for you. This area surfaces suggested directions based on common use cases, so you don't have to invent the structure yourself. If one of these suggestions fits your goal, choose. Start with an idea. This option is perfect when you want a head start or you're not sure how to frame your requirements. You can preview what the idea includes and confirm it aligns with your team's workflow. Remember, starting with an idea doesn't lock you in. You can still adjust names, fields, and logic later. Once you've made your selection, click Start Building. Vibe will generate the initial app layout so you can begin tailoring it to your needs. Take a moment to review the sections it creates and think about how your team will input data and track progress. Save your work as you go and keep your first version simple. You can always iterate after your team tries it. That's all you need to get moving with AI Vibe in Monday.com. Open Home, launch Vibe, choose to build or start with